Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace and tools so you avoid damage. Once ready, remove the strap and place the watch face down on a soft pad. This stabilizes the case. Use the correct caseback tool and open the back, turn counterclockwise for threaded backs or pry at the notch for snap-ons. Make sure to note gasket position and keep screws and tiny parts in a parts tray. After the back is off, you can inspect the movement retaining screws and locate the stem release lever to begin removal. Once the caseback is open, your next priority is freeing the stem and exposing the dial. You press the tiny stem release lever or loosen the set screw while holding the crown and gently pull the stem out. This avoids bending. After that, protect the dial with thin paper and use hand levers to lift the seconds, minutes, then hour hands in that order, keeping them aligned. Make sure to unscrew any dial feet screws or unclip the dial tabs once free. Support the movement from beneath and carefully lift the movement and dial out of the case. You now complete removal and secure the movement for repair or replacement. Carefully transfer the movement into a movement holder and avoid magnetic tweezers. Plastic or brass is safer. Photograph orientation and note screw locations to make reassembly straightforward. Store the crown, stem, and screws in labeled containers. If the stem or hands resist, stop and reassess. Forcing risks damage. A stuck stem often means the release lever wasn't fully depressed or a seized screw. Try gentle pressure or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.